Do you have 3CX on your computer and are unsure if it's on par with your desktop? In this video, we'll explain the features of 3CX on your computer and show you how it can replace or complement your desk phone. Hi, I'm Jennifer Gutierrez, Client Account Manager at Intelligent Technical Solutions. In this video, we'll show you how to use the features of the 3CX Windows app and web client. We'll go over how to make and manage calls, how to manage your voicemail, how to transfer calls, how to create conference calls, how to record calls, and how to park calls. The first feature of the 3CX Windows app and web client is the ability to make and manage calls. To call on the desktop app, click on the dial pad beside the search bar or click on the search icon. Enter the phone number of the person you want to reach or search them by name, extension number, or email address. Then press call. To call on the web client, click on the dial pad in the top right menu or click on the search icon. Enter the phone number of the person you want to reach or search them by name, extension, or email address. Then press call. To put a call on hold, press the hold button. Press it again to remove the call from hold. To mute your microphone while in a call, press the mute button. To end a call on both, press the end call button. So the second feature of 3CX desktop phone and web client is voicemail management. To record your voicemail message through the Windows app, you want to first press the voicemail button on the menu at the bottom. Then press the record button to record a new greeting. Follow the instructions on the screen and put a name for your voicemail file. After entering the file name, you'll receive a call. Press answer. You'll be instructed to record your message, then press the pound sign.
Record your message, then press pound.
Open the keypad and press pound once you're done recording. After pressing pound, you'll hear other menu options. You can press 1 to redo the recording, 2 to verify or play back the recording you did, or 0 to save the recording. You can also press pound to exit voicemail recording and not save anything. The app will open again to the voicemail page. You can then change your greeting. Take note that you can have different greetings per status. To record your voicemail message through the web client, click Settings, then Greetings to see the following screen. Press Record Greeting to start the process of recording your greeting. It will follow the same pattern as recording your greeting in the Windows app. First, you'll get a screen prompting you to label your greeting. After entering the file name, you'll receive a call. Press Answer. Follow the instructions the program will prompt you to do. Then listen to your voicemail messages. In the Windows app, first click the voicemail button on the bottom menu. You should then have the following page with a list of your voicemails. To listen to your voicemail messages in the web client, click the voicemail button on the left menu. You should see a screen that tells you what voicemails you currently have in your mailbox. Take note that 3CX can also send the voicemail along with the transcription to your email based on your request. The next feature of 3CX is call transferring. There are 2 kinds of call transfers available on the 3CX Windows app and web client. The first kind is a blind transfer. The call is transferred without you speaking to the receiver on the other end. To do this, press the transfer key during an active call. The call will be placed on hold. Then enter the number you want to transfer to. The person you're talking to will be transferred to the other line. The second kind of transfer is the assisted or warm transfer. This allows you to put the caller on hold and talk to the receiver on the other line before passing the call. To do an assisted transfer, press the Assisted Transfer button and enter the extension of the receiver. The original caller will be placed on hold. Once the second party answers, you can announce the caller to the receiver. Then you may end the call on your phone. If the receiver declines the transfer, the call will be sent to the receiver's voicemail. The fourth feature is to create conference calls. This process is the same for both the 3CX Windows app and the web client. To do this, you want to press the conference call button on the menu. The following page will appear. Fill in the details and choose if you want to start the call now or schedule it later. If you schedule it for later, windows will pop up. Add all of the attendees you want for this scheduled conference in the calendar app and send the invite. If you start the conference call immediately, you'll be brought back to the conference call screen. Then you need to add participants. 3CX will open the calendar app and you can add participants there. They'll be able to join once they receive your invitation. However, if you do not want to schedule a call through the calendar, you can directly call someone and set up a conference call while on the call. In the Windows app, after calling someone, press the conference button. Add participants on the Windows app, input the number. Press Add, then press the arrow on the bottom to send the call request. You may do this for as many people as necessary. Once they answer, they'll be immediately part of the conference call. To end the conference call, press the End Call icon beside the Add Participant button. Starting a conference call on the web client through the same process. Start by pressing the Conference button while in an active call. You'll see a pop-up window to select participants. Type in the number or name of people you want to add to the conference call. Once they pick up, they'll be part of the call. End the conference call by pressing the End Call button. The fifth feature of 3CX on your desktop is to record your own calls. To record your call on the Windows app and web client, press the Record button while in an active call. Press again when you want to end the recording. To listen to your recordings on the Windows app, go to the Settings, press Recording, and find your recorded calls there. Alright guys, so the last feature is call parking. Call parking allows other people in your organization to pick up the call because you sent it into a parking orbit. A parking orbit is a queue where other people can pick up the call. For example, you send off a call with Mary into parking orbit 1. Then Stephen, who has access, will continue Mary's call. To park a call, press the transfer button while in an active call, followed by *00 to 09 to specify the parking orbit. For example, *01 will place the call in the parking orbit 1. *02 will place the call in the parking orbit 2. If you want to pick up a parked call, press *10 to 19 where the 0 between 9 is the park orbit number. For example, *11 will pick up any calls parked in orbit 1, while *12 will pick up any calls parked in parking orbit 2. Now that you're familiar with 3CX on your computer, you can learn about the other devices you can use with 3CX by watching our other videos. Here at ITS, we help businesses thrive by managing their technology. Thanks for watching. See you in our other videos.